as I do. I do, yes I do. No reason to fight it, no reason to say we're through, no need to deny it, 'cause I'm not over you. It ain't been decided. You can't make a choice for two. My heart ain't been lying. No, I'm not over you, 'cause I know it's true. No one else could love me half as good as you. Now what do I do? What do I do? I'm passing our coffee shop. You're still tucked in our favorite booth. No, I didn't wanna stop, but it's a table for two. We both know it's true. No one else could love me half as good as you. No one else could love you half as good as I do. No one else could love each other half as good as one another. No one else could love half as good as us.